with you how we can deal with the columns in the pandas data, a data frame, and the column list can be either uh, a list or a iterator. Now let's try for a simple example. Now invoke this IPython and Emacs, and one thing good about Emacs that we can actually do something in an abbreviation. For example, pandas, because it's a lot of uh, things to type in, so I just make it simple, and I can make a simple example in matrix. I mean a netted list, okay? That is simple, and so it is a matrix, right? The matrix, and I define also the columns, so I can define and data frame here. That's the data frame, and that's the data frame. Nice. Okay. Now suppose I want to get these variables. Okay, A. Okay, then what? How can I get variables? We can set a columns here. That column, right? Now it you may think it's a list. You can convert it to list, of course. Data column list 147. Look at yeah, 147 to the list. It's very neat. Suppose work. Then I can get of course I can get the first element. I can get the last element. Nah, forget it. No, because it's so anyway to do it again. Column. Well, I define a variable first. No, anyway. Column. And then that's the last element. Good. So I can find the first and the seventh of the column list out from this data frame. Okay. But there's a drawback though, because if it have a very large data frame, then when you convert it to list, that will be consume a lot of memory, and so why not use iterator? That is say, I don't convert it to list. Okay, I retain the column. Okay, I don't convert to list. Then I can use for loop or while loop, whatever. Then you can use the element one by one. It could become it is somewhat like a generator or iterator. So then how can you find the first element? Can I do it? Yes, still you can get, but what about the last one? No, you can't. So that is a trick though. We can use this. Then find the last. Boom, you get 7. This means that to get record everything, you have a matrix. You define the. No, I changed the columns, unfortunately. Anyway, from this matrix, I got a data frame, and I can get the columns from, for example, column C this time. Yes, I can copy this one. And this time I just column C, data column. And remember, it's not a list. It's not a type list. You can, of course, you can get a type of it. It's a panel series, so it's a kind of a generator. So you cannot use this one to find the last element. It's not possible. So what to do? You can do this. A star operator last equal to equal to column. Okay, then you can find out the last element, which is 9, which is correct here, 9 here, okay? Okay, so that illustrates what are the differences between a list and a series type or iterator, and understanding of them is very important. Otherwise, you get a lot of trading in our programming. Okay, thank you for listening to my sharing of experiences today, and hope to see you tomorrow or the afternoon tomorrow, depending on my time. And thank you again for listening, and have a nice day. Bye.